HOUSEPLANT, home goods and accessory brand founded by actor, comedian, ceramicist Seth Rogen. Founded in 2021, this year marks the 5th anniversary of HOUSEPLANT. The overall brand ethos is that HOUSEPLANT simply makes cool stuff for people who like nice things. Over the years, I've purchased a couple of their nice things, including a pretty cool candle and a super cool match striker. In 2024, HOUSEPLANT released a beautiful gloopy vase in collaboration with Kith. Only 185 vases were made, and that was it. That was the last we ever saw of the gloop. But now, to kick off 2026, the gloop is back, baby. And this time around, only 100 vases were made. I was lucky enough to secure one of those 100 vases, and now it's time to check it out.
Yo, what is going on? I just got home right now and I got a package. Alright, so I just got home right now. As you can see, it's currently sunset, so I'm currently running out of daylight. I ordered something very nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it right now. So here we have the gloopy vase via HOUSEPLANT. We're gonna go ahead and lift these flaps here, which should reveal the final product. Here we got some operating instructions. Here we have the HOUSEPLANT gloopy vase. There she is. Can't really see it that well because it's getting dark in here. Some HOUSEPLANT detailing on the bottom there. I'd say it's about 12-13 inches tall. Weight, decently heavy. 3 or 4 pounds. Yeah, I guess now that all that's left is like to put some flowers in it or something. I don't have any of those. I know that sometimes HOUSEPLANT gives like a little sticker that'll say what number item you got, because these are limited edition items here. And actually the vase is sold out, by the way, so. But I've seen stickers that tell you like 3 out of 250 or something like that. No sticker came with this, so I don't know which number I got out of the limited quantity that they created. But other than that, I'm happy with this. It looks really cool. It's big enough to hold anything you can fit in it. And yes, well, I think that about sums it up for this video. The vase is really nice, and I like it. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and I hope you have a good one. Peace.